is Dorcas Sakai Ejore. I am the chairperson and founder of Neema Poultry Enterprise. Neema Group is a group of young women. We started in 1998. I found 20 young ladies who had left school. We were like sisters. We could not separate, so we formed Neema and registered it as a registered group, self-help group. We came with an idea of keeping poultry. ADF gave us a grant for the pilot project. We purchased 1,000 chicks, and now we rented a house where we kept the poultry. You can see where I started, from the pilot project to expansion, where we have these permanent buildings. In Turkana County, we are the largest egg producers. So our peak production, this center can manage 1,000 eggs per day. It has built our relationship with other stakeholders, especially in food security. ADF have really helped us as a women's group. They have really supported us. And as Neema, we bank on ADF because all that, the picture we have is through their support.